Back to Digital Math Tutor. In today's exercise, we want to look at this WASC question. The question is on logarithm. It says simplify log, the whole base is 7, base 7, then log base 7 root 8 minus log base 7 root 2 plus log 7 root 4. So what do we do in this? Having seen this, I want you to try it and come up with an answer. But in case you don't know what to do, just go through this as we go through the work solution, so you see what exactly to do. Now look at how we'll go about this. We're having log the same and all that. So let's go. Log 7, that is base 7 root 8. You have 8, root 8, root 2, root 4. Do you notice that there's something that is common with these 3 roots, 8, 2, and 4? 2, because 8 is 2 raised to the power 3, 2 is 2 raised to the power 1, 4 is 2 raised to the power 4. So we want to make it in a way where we're going to have a uniform root. So this is going to be log 7 root 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. That is minus. We'll now have log this 2 raised to the power 1, then plus, then 2 raised to the power 2. That's exactly what it is. So we have converted all of them to now, now have a uniform log 2 base 7, log 2 base 7, log 2 base 7. The difference is now that what we have up there raised to the power 3, raised to the power 1, raised to the power 2. So because of this, now the next thing we are going to do is we're not going to, at this time in logarithm, once you have something like log 2 base 7, then raised to the power 3 up there, it's same thing as saying 3 log 2 7. You understand? So because they have a common log, base, and power, 2, 7, 2, we are going to just have this. So we're going to now add up this. We're not going to be having 3 minus 1 plus 2, all in log 7, 2. That's it. So what is 3 minus 1 is 2 plus 4 plus 2, which is 4. So the final answer will be 4 log 7 raised to the power minus 2. That's exactly what it is. So this is the answer to this question. Very, very, very simple. So that's the answer. The whole of this thing, having simplified it, that is log 7 raised to the power 8 minus log 7 raised to the power 2 plus log 7 raised to the power 4. By the time you simplify it, you are going to have 4 log 7 raised to the power 2. And that's the final answer. If you have a question, you can ask. If you have a different answer, please put it here and let us know how you got your answer. But I'm sure this is the correct answer. If you are new to our channel, we encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Help us to grow together so that we can be encouraged to bring more and more of this stuff. Share this video in any group where you belong so that others can as well benefit. Thanks for watching. God bless you.